Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to learn data science course, easy method. Start by choosing a manageable path with clear goals and a short timeline. Focus first on Python basics, statistics, and core machine learning concepts. Build small projects that solve real problems and publish them to a portfolio. Practice data cleaning, visualization, and model evaluation frequently. Use community feedback and iterative improvement to stay motivated and keep learning consistently. After your plan, prioritize the core skills that employers expect and projects need. Spend focused time on Python and essential libraries, then reinforce statistics so your models make sense. Create visual stories from data to communicate insights clearly, and practice feature engineering on messy datasets. Work on one project at a time, iterating until it's polished, and gradually increase complexity as your confidence grows and your portfolio fills with meaningful examples. Turn learning into proof by building projects that demonstrate end-to-end skills from data collection to deployed model. Keep project descriptions concise, highlight impact in numbers, and include code and visualizations. Practice whiteboard explanations and common interview tasks like model selection and error analysis. Reach out to peers for code reviews, contribute to open source when possible, and apply regularly while tailoring resumes to each role to increase interview chances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.